guys, welcome back to BattleBots. I'm Jenny Taft, hanging in the pits as these builders are really in a frenzy, trying to get their robots ready for their next fight.
Oh! Death roll and gets rolled all over the place. Oh, another huge hit! A shocking turn of events as it is game over for Endgame.
Are we getting some emergency parts?
Yeah, they're off getting water jetted, so that's the guy who's making them. Just calling me now. Oh, hello. Yes. So did you get the file I sent you? Yeah. Oh, cool. We will need them tomorrow, if that's okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. Cheers. All right. So.
That is real life. As you guys are kind of figuring out what happened, the damage and some new parts you were just ordering. So take me through what you need to fix.
This is one half of the bearings. So this goes in here.
All right.
Sits in like that with these rollers.
They sit in there.
Yep.
This spins.
Okay.
But because we had hit at an odd angle, our whole weapon twisted, which caused this to be twisted inside
As
of here.
well.
So
Got it.
actually this was sort of sticking out at that angle, like embedded in there.
Is that what you were ordering?
We were ordering some retainers on here because they were aluminium. And when we took that big hit, the bearing race that was in there, which we just had in there before, it just ripped the aluminium. So we're getting some steel ones made, so hopefully it won't happen again.
This fight is really important to us.
We've got to win it. We've got to make the top 16 this year. We've got to win all 3 of the next ones now to make top 16. You know, we almost made it last year, so if we're not in it this year, we're going backwards. So to do that, we've got to win this fight.